Names of vegetables.
Welcome to my channel, Fun Learning Junior.
Onion, potato, tomato, cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, bell pepper, brinjal, garlic, ginger, squash, beetroot, kale, peas, cabbage, avocado, asparagus, radish, pumpkin, lady's finger, cluster bean, French bean, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, sponge gourd, snake gourd, bitter gourd, apple gourd, capsicum, corn, zucchini, celery, coriander, mint, spinach, fenugreek, lemon, chilies, elephant foot, colocasia, fennel, mushroom, lotus root, artichoke, leek, sweet potato, edamame. Tune in for our next video. Names of leafy vegetables.
If you enjoyed our video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.